fact that we're starting to use up resources and burn fossil fuels has created one of the more insidious problems in that we now have a changing climate. If you're designing infrastructure and not taking this into account, you're going to be designing things that in a bad case will not work as specified, but in the worst case, if you're not accounting for these changes, it could put public at risk. We're now redesigning the body of knowledge, and this is the first of a number of conferences. We're redesigning the methodologies by which civil engineering and infrastructure is being built. So we think this is critical and important.
We're running out of time to do the right thing, and our communities are demanding for leadership. They're looking for someone to step into the void and provide solutions that make life better.
Generally in a conference, it's a lot of application. It's application of existing knowledge. This is developing knowledge, and to bring this level of the experts in one location and have them bounce off of each other, our thoughts are just invigorating, and it's just really cutting edge stuff we're learning here. It's fantastic. It's incredible.
Right now, our current knowledge base for civil engineering isn't adequate to take care of these changes. So there's a whole revolution in the offing to change the methodologies and change the body of knowledge for how civil infrastructure and other things related should be handled in the future.
The conditions that we will be designing to in the future are not the same conditions that we can predict or even know at this point. And so the engineer has to become more adaptive in my mind. In other words, it'd be great if we knew what our design condition would be in 50 years, and that's what we would design to. What has been the normal in the past will no longer be the normal in the future.
By 2050, many of the problems that we're seeing in droughts and heat waves and all those things I mentioned, some of those systems may change so much it become irreversible. So we won't have a chance to come back and do anything about it. So that's a problem. And secondly, if you push it out to 2100, which from infrastructure isn't that long, they're talking about if business as usual keeps going and we keep increasing the temperatures of the world and not addressing climate change, half the world that is now habitable will become uninhabitable because of the extreme temperatures, lack of water, all of those issues that I discussed a moments ago. And so that's serious. I mean, we're talking about really hurting the ability of people to live on the planet.